Welcome back to
How that happened?
Now today we will be learning about the triangle of life, and it all started with evolution. Let me we have the triangle, okay? Everything started from evolution. Now evolution is when things change over time, and when there's a really big change, it goes to adaptation. Now, adaptation is when things, usually animals or living organisms, change to their new environment. Okay? Now, since they change to their new environment, if they survive living, then it'll lead us to natural selection.
Inside recess.
No! Yes! Oh, I gotta go to the door now.
Okay? And natural selection is when you change, you survive through your new adaptation, and you create a new species, which is called species, whatever you call it. Now we know what evolution is, adaptation, and natural selection. And now we also know how they create a triangle. And that is how evolution started. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the connection between evolution, natural selection, and adaptation, okay? And I have my friend here to help me draw this out, okay? So, first, we're going to draw a triangle so it's easier to explain this, okay? So, the very first thing that happens is through connection is evolution. Evolution is the start of it all, okay? And evolution comes down to adaptation, okay? Now, adaptation is when the animals or living organisms come and they live in a new environment, and their goal is to survive, okay? Now, evolution is the process of change over time, okay? Now, evolution will lead to adaptation, and if they survive the adaptation and they survive in the new environment, it leads to natural selection. Okay? Now, evolution, when it's a good change, it goes to adaptation, and then adaptation goes to natural selection. Now, what exactly is natural selection? Natural selection is when the animal that adapted to a new environment breeds with the new species that already lives in that area. Okay? And that is how those three connect. Now my friend here is going to explain something.
So evolution basically occurs when DNA goes through mutation. But it must be good. Otherwise, it would purely be adaptation and not evolution. For it to be evolution, the species must survive the environment, which leads to adaptation, as kids just explained, and natural selection. And the whole thing goes over again. It's a cycle.
And it just happens over and over again, and that's what creates the world in different animals.
Called speciation.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching. And cut.